To hard reset your OnePlus 13 with recovery mode, first you need to power off your device. You can do it by holding the power button. If it doesn't show the power menu, click and hold power and volume up button together. Then you should see it and we can power off our device. Right after that, click and hold volume down button and power button at the same time and hold them until you can see the logo. Now inside we'll enter a recovery mode. We need to pick a language. I'm gonna go with English and then select format data. Enter the code that is visible on the screen and then click on format, which will reset your device and you'll be able to perform a first setup.